Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Revolution. So today I've come up with another interesting recipe. It is zero oil Palak Paneer recipe. This recipe is really healthy. It is a one pot dish. No need of blanching to retain the color of palak leaves. So watch till the end for tips and tricks. To start with, I've taken 500 grams of fresh palak leaves or spinach leaves which I've washed and cleaned. I'll chop these leaves and bring them. Now heat a kadai and add the chopped palak leaves into this pan. Next add in 10 to 12 garlic cloves, 1-inch piece of ginger roughly chopped, 2 medium-sized onions roughly chopped, 1-inch piece of cinnamon and 1 black cardamom. These two spices will give restaurant-like flavor to this gravy. Next I'll be adding 15 to 20 cashew-nuts. Don't worry by looking at the quantity of cashew-nuts being added. This curry serves 4 to 6 people. Now instead of cashew-nuts you can also add watermelon seeds. Thing to be noted is they need to be soaked before adding them. Next I'll be adding green chilli. You can increase or decrease the quantity of green chilli as per your spice level. Now stirring occasionally. Cook this on medium to high flame for 5 to 7 minutes till the onions turn tender. Please do not cover and cook because the leaves will lose their bright green color. So after about 7 minutes you can see that the onions have turned tender and the leaves have also cooked really well. Allow this to cool down completely and then blend into a fine puree. Now into the same pan I'm going to add in the blended puree. Now once again switch on the flame and add in half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sugar. Sugar is added to get rid of that slight bitter taste of the spinach leaves. Mix this really well and add in paneer. Here I am going to add 250 grams of paneer. Instead of paneer you can also add other vegetables like broccoli, mushroom, etc. Now allow the paneer to simmer in this gravy for about 5 to 10 minutes. The flame should be very low at this point of time. And finally I am going to garnish it with some methi leaves. Gently rub them between your hands and then add it to this gravy. So you must have observed that this is a zero oil recipe. For all those who are looking for a healthy weight loss, this is a must-try recipe. Another option is if you're giving it to kids, you can give a ghee tadka where you can heat some ghee in a pan and add some cumin seeds and then add it on top of this curry. Serve this gravy with roti or naan of your choice. I hope you all liked this video. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.